Well guys, we've made it back to the mobile home project. Today we're going to continue on the living room, which we're standing in right now. Previously, which has been some time now, we did this wall. Before that, we did this wall. And so today we're focusing on this wall. We're going to try to get this whole wall done, and then we'll be 3/4 of the way done with this room. So we have 4 panels. Let's not make any mistakes. We'll get them up. We're using LP Smart Side, which is an OSB siding product on the interior of the mobile home. We're doing that because it's just quicker and easier than drywall. It's sturdy and gives strength to these walls, and it doesn't decay and crumble when it gets wet. We're not fans of drywall. And for a mobile home like this is an old mobile home, it's prone to moving. It probably will shift around over time. Drywall is more prone to cracking, and the Smart Side panels are going to be a lot better in a mobile home because they're never going to show cracks. So let me take my first measurement. We're going to start at this end of the wall, down here in the corner, and we have a few cutouts to do, but otherwise I think we're ready to go. It's pretty easy. I don't think there's anything unusual here that we have to worry about. I feel a little bit weak.
It happens.
Do we have the, oh, you got it? Okay.
Better work.
Okay. I don't know how we just got that so perfectly aligned just on the first
Yeah.
time. It's like, it's just perfect. The other day we started a project doing some siding, and on our first piece we messed up and made a big mistake. Today we started off so perfect that I'm impressing myself. I'm not bragging, I'm just saying, like, that piece looks so good. So I'm feeling positive about today. And we're ready for the next piece. What am I hitting? Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. more shorter. Is that done?
Yeah.
That looks good. Okay, ready?
Nine and 3/4.
No, I'll do the
83 and a half. 2.5, or 67 and 3/4, 71 and 3/4, 67 and 3/4, 71 and 3/4, 67 and 3/4, 71 and 3/4, 2.5, 5,
oh,
9 and 3/4. The side is only 17 and 1/4.
okay. Smelting. Put it right here, like at the window. Go over more.
Your way?
Like right here. Let me see what's going on here. This panel has a lot of tension in it, this little piece of it. Can't tack that down. I'm thinking that the whole panel, the whole C-cut for the window, like closed in on itself just because of the tension in the wood in the panel. So we're just gonna cut a little section out of that. There. That's good. Last full panel going in. Oh, ew, ew, look at this. I'm way down. I didn't realize that when I was nailing that up. I'm like,
Why is it off though?
I was just looking at how clean this was.
Like if this is lined up, is the ceiling off or something?
No, because like everything's off. Okay, let's evaluate this. Oh, of course, the last panel doesn't go smoothly.
I think the ceiling is off.
It's gonna be hard to see this, but I'm way off on my outlet, and there's a huge gap at the ceiling.
Okay, we might just have to trim that corner then, so we can slide the whole thing up.
So this isn't a hard fix now that we got the panel off the wall without destroying it. All we have to do is cut the top at an angle so that it can go up tighter to the ceiling. Do I look hot?
Yeah.
It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot outside. I'm glad we're almost done because it's getting hard to cut those panels out there in the sun. I just trimmed the top of this. Let's see if it fits. Ugh.
Is it going?
Tiny bit. Well, good news. We got the piece to fit and it looks pretty good. Luckily, it wasn't as big of a disaster as it seemed. I'm just glad that we could salvage the piece and make it work. So got that in. Now we're on the last piece, which is the cutoff from the first piece. And we will have this wall done.
Okay.
I forgot to cut it to length. So I'm gonna go outside, and actually that is the other good news is that it's cooling down. It feels so good right now.
It looks like it's gonna rain. It's getting like windy.
That looks so good. Another wall done. I would say it's starting to look really finished from this direction, except for we never did this little corner over here. I'm gonna look at it right now and see if we have the pieces to fit in there. Well guys, I tried my best. Let's hope it fits. That doesn't look bad at all. Now this doesn't reach the floor, but it'll get us close. Okay, and now I just have a little baby piece at the bottom to fit in, and it'll blend away. Okay, I don't know, it might be hard to see, but finished it off. I did leave some cracks so that we can caulk. It's always good to leave a little gap between this type of panel so that you have room for the sealant to go in there. And then you can blend away any seams, but by putting the splice down there, it's not noticeable. So it should be fine. We'll get everything caulked up before we paint. This wall is looking fantastic. Came out really good.
Yeah.
Clean. We still have a closet door we have to install, but we're gonna wait until we get the flooring down. So that's gonna be later after the walls are done and probably painted. So this is the last wall to do. It looks like 1,
3 and a little bit.
oh, another 4 panels, is that? And we'll pick those up sometime else. We'll get all this mess cleaned out of the way and carry on with this room. We're almost done, and then we can start the trim work, the flooring.
We already have the flooring, so that's good.
It's gonna look really good. And it's gonna come together quick when we're able to get to it. Right now, we've had to slow down on the project, so you might notice longer delays between videos about the mobile home. We just have to focus on priorities, and we haven't been able to get over here and get as much work done as we wish we could. But we're trying, so I guess that's all we have for now. Right?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.